Quite a crowd starting to form. Looking forward to it, Mike? You looking forward to it? Yeah.
So you can do it in a second if you guys wanna have a go. This is a friction device. It's just creating a lot of friction in the rope. As long as you're holding it, it's not going anywhere. All you need to do is just relax your hand through.
Ah, piece of cake.
Lauren, are you good? Quite hard, so thank you. So good grip here with your right. Lean back until you feel the harness is holding you, and now just relax your grip. Perfect. It is tighter now once your full weight is hanging on it. It's always easier. Yeah, you're pretty good. It will be a nice addition.
What hand you say?
Yeah. Walk back a little bit until you feel this is tight. A little bit more until you feel the harness is not holding you yet. Yeah, you gotta feel that pull from the back. Cool. And now as you relax your hand, you're going through.
Oh, right.
That's it. Perfect.
Great stuff.
What did you just say? Oh, I like falling off a log.
So have you abseiled before?
When I was about 10.
Oh, right.
A long time ago.
Yeah.
Long time ago.
I did one once as part of a team building exercise about 40 years ago. Down the leg of a railway viaduct. Sorry?
The weather's holding out for us at the
The
moment.
way, yeah. Yes, quite nice. Good stuff.
Hi, so
Hello,
my name's
you
Lauren.
are? Lauren,
Yeah.
hello Lauren.
Hi, so I'm going to be in control of this line. This is your
Okay.
safety line. Perfect. And then what I'm going to ask you to do is step out onto this wooden platform in a second.
Right.
1 foot either side of the rope, and then we'll get you clipped into the abseil line.
Okay.
So whenever you're ready.
Hanging off the edge of the...
Okay, so whenever you're ready.
This one?
Yeah, so if you can get one hand below your purple abseil device. So if you lean back. Yeah, one hand below.
Righty-ho.
Yeah. That's it. So you want to lean back now and weight your harness.
Righty-ho.
That's it. And then if you can step off this ledge, feet flat against the wall for me. Yeah, great. There we go. Perfect. Great, you're away. You're in control.
Right, excellent.
Enjoy.
Trying to stand up.
Oh, thank you.
Came on very fast at the end there.
Yeah, it just seemed to come naturally like that.
Was it fun?
That was wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
I'm just putting your kit back where you got kitted up and you're free to go.
Righty-ho. Oh, you got a touch for me.
We have! Here we go! Well done, Tim! There we go! Yeah! Abseil!
I can tell you've not been up there.
Now I can let you congratulations. Well done.
Stand John.
Well done, Tim.
Hold on.
You could have had a shave.
Sorry?
You could have had a shave.
I did. Both of my shavers ran out of power.
Don't take your hat off.
The age while he was up there.
She just come down. She picked it up.
It scared me. Why am I on that side?
Anyone else on this? Apparently not.
Well done. And a very nice medal that reflects the windows in the cathedral. Yes. Yes. So it's very nice. Yes.
Excellent. Thank you very much indeed. Right, yeah, I look forward to seeing some of these posted. I better get rid of this clobber.
You had well done.
Well done.
Thank you.
Really good.
Thank you. Yeah, it was. That was amazing. Amazing experience. Is Mike in there getting ready now?
Yeah, he's be up there, yeah.
Oh, because he wants my camera.
Yeah.
Have you turned it off?
No, it's all running.
A little word.
Yeah, certainly.
Now, I'll comment on you because you've got a GoPro on your head.
That's right. Filming everything as we speak.
How's that for you?
Absolutely fantastic, absolutely amazing. I did do an abseil as part of a team building exercise about 40 years ago. Haven't done anything since. But the cathedral, I'm a Coventry thoroughbred, and the cathedral's always been an important part of my life, so to actually be able to do this is amazing.
Fantastic. And if you don't mind asking, how much did you raise?
Just over 300 and I think it was about 307.
307. Fantastic. Well done. And Edwin Ward, GoPro. There we go. Wonderful wimp over there as well. Well done. Right. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Amazing.
Over to Mike. Wanted this one. Thank you. Hello.
Oh, well done.
That was great.
Bye bye.
Are the next lot on their way up?
They've been. They're gone.
Right, because one of them was my friend who wanted to have my GoPro.
Come and tell me that you're down.
Yeah, okay.
I'll be able to send it.
Yeah, okay. I'll be as quick as I can. This is harder than the Abseil. Hello, Mike. Mike, you on the camera with the GoPro?
Yeah, can I?
Yeah. Right, it's all still on. Huh?
Is he on that one?
It's already mounted on. You see.
Oh, right, okay.
So do you want to give me that helmet and I'll take it down? Right. Okay.
Okay.
So it's all going.
Which way's the front way? That way.
That way. That's it. Right, so it's all running.
Okay, that's the way.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Read it?
Yeah. He's got a GoPro on it.
Yeah. Is it recorded already? That's it, brilliant. You put your hands on there for me and step really close to it. That's it. That's it. Now I need you stood here now, so if you go round, then up, you're going to go round it. Yeah, so it's a bit easier in some ways, you know what I'm saying, right? So what I want you to do now is sit down as if you were sitting on a chair. You're doing perfect, you're doing absolutely the fine, right thing. There we go. Alright.
Can I hold the purple one?
Hold this. Loose grip, Michael. Okay. Right, you're going to take your feet off now. Take one foot at a time. Just let them dangle down. Keep going. Let your hands slide through. Well done. Brilliant. Good man. Fantastic.
Look up there and smile. Lovely.
Coming down this first road, and fantastic John Jamie in the middle there. I think half and half of it. It looks like a horror of
the ground. Well done, sir.
Get you out of this.
I feel like I'm doing horse racing. Oh, no, the bar's out. I'm going to go. Just even if you jump.
Right, get you out of this, and then just if you take your stuff back to where you got it.
I think that's probably the most exciting one I've seen coming down so Hello. Hello. Oh, you come straight?
There we go.
Was it you? Is it you? You're the troublesome one. Thank you.
There we go.
So
Wrist
you
glasses.
pay for your glasses. Yeah, well worth it. So you pay for well worth it. Your glasses. Well worth it. Well worth it. Well done. Fourth intellect is an incredible job. Give them a round of applause. I look for somebody else coming down. Fantastic job.
Well, Friday evening, now the working week is done. I ain't out for making trouble. No, I just wanna have some fun. I got some money in my pocket, and I'm gonna spend it all. It's gonna go off like a rocket. Cause tonight we're getting crazy, and we're gonna have a ball, driving 40 miles an hour on the